Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 30 days to reset to calm. This is for you busy moms who are running around trying to tick off all the things in your checklist, but forgetting to go back to figuring out what is happening with you, just pushing through every single day and realizing that the stress is kicking in, the headaches, the backaches, um, and it's the same routine every single day with the kids, with the yelling, the screaming, and the stress, the frustration, the anxiety. So, this is just a series to remind and train ourselves to remind ourselves to reset to calm. Hi, if you're new here, my name is TasneemKNomani. I am a parenting coach and mentor for busy moms who are wanting to go back to finding that peace and calm in their relationships again. So, we are diving right into day 4 today. We're going to talk about your breath is a built in reset button. Okay? These are really simple concepts, but somehow and sometimes we kind of forget these things. So, this is just a reminder of little things, little techniques, little tools that you can go back to and start implementing into your life and go back to the calm and peace and be that peaceful mother that you want to be for your kids and your family. So, let's take a deep breath together, and a real one. Okay, ladies, remember how that feels like? Deep, not breathing from your chest, but breathing from your belly. Okay? Not the breath that you are taking when you're yelling at your kids or where you are the rush to get out of the house, get your kids out the door for school on time, but a breath that you feel through your belly. Okay? Deep belly breathing. We honestly forget to do that. Okay? During the day, notice yourself if you're actually taking deep breaths. Ready? So we're going to inhale and exhale. That's right. That's it. That is your reset. We think resetting means doing something big, like taking a big break, getting out of the house, having your sanctuary, garden, journaling, lighting a candle, going for a long bath. Yes, those are beautiful and beautiful ways to reset. But today we're talking about a really, really simple but most accessible reset that is already inside of you that we forget at times that we have, that we can just push that button and it helps us calm down. Okay? That is our breath. It is a gift from Allah that we are breathing. We are able to take in, healthy, fresh air. This is a built-in thing. It's always available, always free, and you are always just one inhale and exhale away from relaxing. Okay? Most of us go through the day barely breathing. Okay? The rushing, the clenching of the teeth, the clenching of the jaws, holding tension between your shoulders. Just take a moment and recognize where that that tension's feeling right now, right? I know it because when I get stressed out, there's this point right here in the back of my shoulder, and I know it that okay. I listen to my body, and I know that okay, something's going on. I'm not breathing. I am in that stress mode. So it's that time to listen, tune in, okay? And we wonder sometimes why we feel stuck or why we're snappy because we're just floating above ourselves, okay? And this is the cause of the stress. Our bodies feel like we're in flight or fight mode 24/7. We don't give it time to breathe. We don't give it time to relax, okay? And this deep breathing will help it repair, okay? And honestly, ladies, that's where the headaches start. That's where the back pain starts. That's where the stomach issues happen, the skin problems. All the illnesses are due to this continuously living in the stress mode, the fight or flight mode. Okay? Maybe you're thinking stress is a big word, but you're probably not even recognizing it because you are not taking these deep breaths and you're continuously moving from one activity to another. And you're not even realizing that you're not even taking these deep breaths. Okay? So your breath is a powerful rope that pulls you back to your body, to your now, to your child that's in front of you, and to your why. What is the purpose of it all, right? So here's the reset for today. Simple as that. It's called box breath. Okay? You inhale for 4 seconds. So 4. And then you hold that breath for 4 seconds. You exhale for 4 seconds. If you're really stressed, breathe out through your mouth. And then hold again for 4 seconds. So you continue this pattern, couple of breaths, and it does miracles. Okay? Trust me. And let me know how it goes for you and if this breath activity works for you. Do this once before a transition moment, maybe before getting your kids out of bed in the morning. Okay, start with that calm. You're looking at the watch and you know they're already late getting up for school. Do this breath exercise before stepping into the room or before picking them up from school or, watching them be fighting with each other and you want to step in and you want to help them stop the argument. To this breath exercise. Okay? Take one slow breath when you hear the whining or the complaining or the crying, and that will just anchor you. Okay? That pause might be the difference between the reacting and the response. Okay? We don't give that time. We just immediately react. So by breathing, we slow our brain waves down and we let our mind and our body connect and we give our mouth some time to think about what we want to say or how we want to react. So this isn't just about calm, it's about connection. This simple exercise, it's really honestly, it can do wonders for you. Okay? This relieves stress. You can actually say to yourself when you breathe out, say relax or release. Just say it a couple of times when you're exhaling. Okay, so you tell your mind to do it and your body actually listens. Okay, so you were not meant to be you run on fumes. Okay, you were meant to pause, to restore, and return with softness. So today, let your breath lead you back to yourself. You are not too far gone. You are just one breath away. Remind yourself. Okay? So, as you let this final breath settle into your body, take a moment to honor the space you've just created. Okay? Put your hand on your belly, put your hand on your heart when you take a deep breath. Just be thankful for that moment. Okay? This pause, this reconnection is so powerful. It is just the beginning. If you're craving more moments like this, more tools to get you back to calm when life gets loud, when it's just too overwhelming, I'd love to invite you to explore a Master Your Calm guide. It's going to be in the link below. So check that out. It's a guided PDF that's going to guide you through journaling exercises, talking about gratitude. Try to figure out what your triggers are. Try to figure out where you pick up those values, those beliefs, and this parenting patterns. And you start seeing patterns in yourself, how you're reacting, how your days are with your kids. And you can see it with your husband, your family as well. And that will be a game changer for you, inshallah. Okay? It's also filled with practices that will help you shift from reactive to responsiveness, especially in the thick of the parenting moments. So honestly, you deserve support that nurtures you. Okay? Check out the link. It's going to be in the show notes below. Inshallah, I'll see you tomorrow for the next training, day